Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, Agriculture Minister Audley Shaw is demanding an apology from the opposition for what he describes as erroneous statements regarding the Farm Roads program. Now, the opposition called a press conference last month and raised alarm about a bushing scheme under the Rural Agricultural Development Authority RADA program in St. Thomas. But speaking at a quarterly press briefing this morning, Mr. Shaw again defended RADA, arguing that the opposition's comments were totally irresponsible. TVJ's Vashon Brown has more.
Opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips at a press conference last month making allegations about the Rural Agricultural Development Authority RADA's use of funds relating to the Farm Roads program. The claims have since been denied by RADA, and the opposition continues to face the heat for making the claims to begin with. Ill-advised and erroneous. At least that's how the Agriculture Minister Audley Shaw sees the comments.
Suggesting that some $1.6 billion was spent in the parish of St. Thomas. $1 billion in West and $600 million in the East. That's what the leader of the opposition went before the cameras and stated that this was done. Totally inaccurate. And said that that was spent, that is money that was spent in one fiscal year.
For Mr. Shaw, an apology is needed from the opposition.
I'm waiting by the cameras to watch the leader of the opposition apologize for such an aggressively erroneous statement. An aggressively erroneous statement. Because the fact is that over 4 years, we have expended $1.7 billion over 4 years for farm road improvement across the country.
He argues that the comments by the opposition were totally irresponsible,
which must be discarded and for which Jamaica awaits an apology from the opposition.
In the meantime, the Auditor General raised concerns about the Farm Road program in a recent report to Parliament. Among other things, the Auditor General expressed surprise at the decision of RADA to rescope works on farm roads excluding drainage and culverts. Minister without portfolio in the Agriculture Ministry, J.C. Hutchinson, says the recommendations from the report are being taken seriously.
Based on the Auditor General's report, we intend to do some restructuring of the program.
He says this will also address concerns from farmers who have complained about the quality of the roads. Vashon Brown, TVJ News.